If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video.
Hi, myself Shreyukta. Welcome you to my channel Aloki the Learning Space. Today we are going to continue our topic of keyboard shortcut key for Microsoft Word. As I said, I divided the shortcut key in 4 segments. In my first video, I have covered first 2 segments. That is the shortcut key for working with document and the shortcut key for moving around in a document. If you haven't gone through, I have mentioned the link below in description box. And in this video, we are going to cover the shortcut key for editing document and for selecting text. So let's start our work. So let's move towards our third section, that is shortcut key for editing the document. So here I have divided my screen in 3 parts. This is a list of shortcut key, this is a sample text, and this is on-screen keyboard. Fine. So we will start with our first shortcut key, that is Ctrl X. It is used to cut the current selection. Okay, fine. Select the text, apply the shortcut Ctrl X. So the selected text got cut. Fine. Now the second shortcut key is Ctrl C. So Ctrl C. Now the selected text got copied. Fine. Now I am keeping my cursor here and applying the third shortcut key, that is Ctrl V. You will see that the selected text got pasted where my insertion point is there. If I kept my insertion point here, I will apply the same shortcut Ctrl V. Now the same text, that is selected text, got pasted here. Fine. Now so fourth shortcut key is Ctrl B. Fine. So I will select the text and apply the shortcut Ctrl B. It is used to bold the selected text. Fine. Now select the second text Ctrl I. It is used to italic the selected text. Fine. I will select this text. Now Ctrl U. It is used to underline the selected text. Fine. Now next. For that I will select this paragraph. Now Ctrl Shift W. You will see it is used to underline the words only. Means the space will not get underlined. Fine. Now next, select the text, apply the shortcut, that is Control left bracket. You will see the font gets smaller. Now Control right bracket. You will see the font get bigger. Now next, Control L. It is used to align the selected text or line to the left. Fine. So I will select this text. Now Control L. You will see the text got aligned to left. Fine. Then Control E. You will see the selected text got aligned to the center. Fine. Next, Control R. You will see the selected text got aligned to the right. Fine. Now next, I will select this paragraph. Now I will apply the shortcut key Control J. It is used to justify paragraph alignment. Fine. Next, Control Q. You will see the selected paragraph got aligned to the left. Fine. Then Control M. It is used to indent the paragraph. Then Control D. It is used for hanging indent. Okay. Next is to insert a page break. So for that, I will go to the last paragraph. Control Enter. You will see that it will insert a page break. Fine? Okay. Then next is, first I will select the text, then Control K. You will see it is used to give the hyperlink. Here we have finished the shortcut key for editing a document. Fine. Now we will move towards our fourth segment. Now we will start for the fourth segment, that is shortcut key for selecting the text. Fine. So this is a list of shortcut keys. This is a sample data and this is on-screen keyboard. Fine. So we will start with our first shortcut key, that is Control A. It is used to select everything in the document. Fine. So Control A. Fine. Next, Shift plus arrow. It is used to select text one character at a time to the left or right. Fine. So what I will do, I will keep my incision point here. Now Shift arrow key. First I will use left arrow key. Fine. So you will see I am selecting one character at a time. Now I will use Shift right arrow key. Okay. So this is how we will select one character at a time. Fine. Next is Control plus Shift plus arrow key. It is used to select the text one word at a time to the left or right. Fine. So I will keep my insertion point here and I will apply the shortcut Control Shift left arrow key. You will see one word got selected at a time to the left side. Fine. Now Control Shift right arrow key. You will see one word got selected at a time to the right. Fine. Next, for next shortcut key, I will keep my insertion point in middle. Okay. The next shortcut key is Shift plus Home. So it is used to select everything from the incision point back to the start of the line. So Shift Home. So my text got selected from my incision point back to the start of the line. Fine. So now I will keep my incision point here and use the next shortcut key, that is Shift plus N. It is used to select everything from the incision point forward to the end of the line. Fine. So Shift N. You will see that my text got selected from the incision point forward to the end of the line. So here we have completed our fourth segment, that is shortcut key for selecting text. Fine. I hope you understood, practice well, and in case you have any doubt, just write in comment box.
If you like my video, please hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Thank you.